I'm sure a lot of you read the title and thought, wow, that's a lot. Is it worth it? I'm going to give you my best review and breakdown of the Bitcoin mining app. Back about a month ago, I had an issue with another cloud mining company, so I looked for something else that might be worth my time. I found this in the Google Play Store and decided to check it out. As of today, I've invested over $3,000 and I wanted to figure out what I'm getting back. If you look at the top left, you can see that I'm making 8,389 sats a day. With the current Bitcoin price of $102,831, that's $8.62 a day. If you click the top left button where you see my daily earnings, it'll take you to your total earnings as of the beginning of the day. You can see that I have a total of 199,722 sats or $205.37. Take $205.37 off of 3,285 and I still need $3,079.63 until I break even with my investment. So with being behind $3,074.63 and making $8.62 a day with Bitcoin's current price, it'll take me 357 days until I hit even. This is obviously not a get-rich-quick scheme, but remember that if/when Bitcoin goes up, the more your sats are worth. That means faster returns and less time until you see a profit. I'll make these account updates weekly with the current Bitcoin price. I hope you are all as interested as I am to see where this goes. Some things I wanted to point out is how much the app is taking from the miners we purchased. Unlike other cloud mining apps, this one doesn't tell us what their maintenance or their electricity fees are. So I did the math that you can see on the top right corner. You can see that I have 161.82 terahash per second. I searched a Bitcoin mining calculator, put in 161.82, and it says that there are 9,210 sats mined a day. Take the 9,210 minus the 8,389, and that means they are getting 821 sats a day from me, or a cut of just under 9%, and each 1 terahash per second is a little over 5 sats a day they take. This is easily the best in the market, and also ties into the next thing I want to talk about. So if you go into the frequently asked questions, they tell you that the miners you buy are yours forever. The risk you take is if you look at the terms of service and then the disclaimer, it says that the app is on an as-is or as-available basis. That means that the company can take down the app and we would be locked out of our investment. They're adding over 10,000 users a day. As you can see, the IDs and dates of those who've used my invite code. Since we're here, I wanted to go over invitation rewards for a second. If you put in someone's invitation code, they receive 10% of what you earn after you put the invite code in. I had a friend put in my code after they purchased a miner, and you can see the 0 earned because they purchased their miners before putting my code in. For the free ads, you can get a little free hash rate by pressing the button on the left. I do it every day because why not, right? The ads, on the other hand, if I watched all 30 ads, it would give me 0.882 terahash per second or 45.7 sats. Some free sats can be cool for non-investors, but I make over 180 times more than that, so it's not really worth my time. So for what you can expect going forward from this channel is weekly informative videos coming out starting next Saturday, my weekly account updates, and weekly breakdowns of each miner's return on investment and other stats based on Bitcoin's current price on that day. When I do eventually run out of informational videos for the Bitcoin mining app, I will review and break down other cloud mining apps. But for now, I think reviewing the one that gives you the most bang for your buck is the best way to start this channel. The next video, I'll be doing a Lightning withdrawal from all 3 wallet options the app gives us, as well as some other information you might want to know. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please use my invite code that you see on the screen. It costs you nothing and it helps the channel a ton. Lastly, these videos are for informational purposes only and are not financial advice. Until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.